Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the region on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply on all the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now all you have to do is simply open settings. Now within the settings, scroll down and select additional settings and then choose region. Now all you have to do is simply scroll through the available regions and find the region you'd like and select it to change the region, as you can see. Or you can simply tap on the search bar at the top and type in your region that you'd like to change to. So if you want, let's say French, you can simply select that and then you should see switching to region. So that's basically it on how to change the region on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.